Guten Morgen, sehr geehrte Gäste. Bonjour, mesdames et messieurs. Ladies and gentlemen, dear guests and friends of Subaru. Welcome to the Subaru media presentation at this 89th Geneva International Motor Show. Thank you for joining our conference. Only 1 year after Subaru Corporation could celebrate its 60th anniversary of vehicle production, Subaru Switzerland is celebrating this year its 40th anniversary of Subaru sales in Switzerland. In the last 4 decades, Subaru Switzerland could sell more than 350,000 vehicles in this country. Being present on this Geneva Motor Show since 1979, Subaru showed over time many world and European premieres, highly functional family cars, sporty wagons, sports cars, and SUVs, mostly with the unique Subaru symmetrical all-wheel drive. Breakthrough technical innovations like the pure optical driver assistance system EyeSight, and for the last years under the model name Xv, many beautiful concept vehicles not only hardcore car enthusiasts could dream of. One of the most important creative minds behind the Xv series is Mr. Mamour Iji, General Manager of the Design Department of Subaru Corporation. We are very proud to have Iji-san one more time here in Geneva in order to present the Subaru e-Boxer technology as a European premiere, but also to show us the newest Xv artwork. Ladies and gentlemen, please give a warm welcome to Mr. Mamour Iji.
First of all, let me review Subaru global business in 2018. It was yet another record year for Subaru. Our total global sales reached 1,063,000 units and brought us 7 consecutive years for sales record and 3 consecutive years of sales exceeding 1 million units. We aim to maintain this strong sales momentum in 2019. The key for success will be our SUV models. In 2018, our SUV accounted for more than 70% of our total global sales. Subaru Xv and Forester were our main sold models. Sales of Subaru Xv in 2018 increased by 27% from last year. Forester went on sale in the middle of last year and it started very well. Sales keep growing. I'm delighted to announce we will start delivering Forester here in Europe sometime this autumn. The new Forester will come to Europe equipped with a new power unit, e-Boxer, the first electrified Subaru power unit to be offered in Europe. e-Boxer is a new power unit combining Subaru's signature Boxer engine and an electric motor integrated in the lineartronic transmission. As it is an authentic Subaru product, e-Boxer will enhance driving enjoyment, not just fuel economy. The e-Boxer is also capable and pure electric driving at speeds up to 40 km/h. At low speed, like city driving, the custom-built electric motor provides swift acceleration. On rough road, the responsive throttle and motor assist powers the car more effectively. The e-Boxer has already become a very popular choice in Japan. Nearly half of the new Forester we sold are equipped with our e-Boxer. Our Subaru Xv will also receive our custom-built e-Boxer powertrain. New Forester and Subaru XV will go on sale in Europe this autumn. Stay tuned for more announcements from Subaru distributors in Europe. Actually, our Subaru XV and Forester share more than our e-Boxer. They also share Subaru's latest design philosophy, dynamic and solid. Dynamic and solid is a philosophy that expresses enjoyment and peace of mind by merging firm, solid feel, and dynamic, lively feel together in our vehicle design. With visible concept cars, this philosophy has been evolving and getting more sophisticated over the years. And last year, we have announced our new midterm management vision, STEP. In this new midterm vision, we have announced the new design concept, Boulder, to define the Subaru's brand core value and the characters of each model more prominently based upon dynamic and solid design philosophy. Subaru vehicles are not just convenient for your daily use. They are also capable and dependable for your hobbies and leisures beyond daily use, while delivering enjoyment and peace of mind. To express it with vehicle design, we defined three key elements as follows. The first one is sports, the enjoyment of controlling vehicle just as you want. The second is journey, the delight of discovering great landscape, emotional moments through exciting journeys. The third is field, the pleasure to enjoy activities in Mother Nature with all your favorite gears packed in the car. Sports, journey, and field. Subaru vehicles are built to deliver these elements. With our bolder design concept, we emphasize these elements further. Subaru visible adrenaline concept we have here today is the first vehicle designed under the bolder design concept. With the design of this concept car, we have crossed over the vehicle of field and sports, increased it even more to make it bolder. Now, please take a look. What do you think of this new, bolder Subaru design? Visible adrenaline concept is the brand new sports vehicle concept from Subaru. With this concept, we express an active, adventurous outdoor sports-minded vehicle. we gave it SUV utility and off-road driving capability to enable passengers to go anywhere just they wish. It features unique roof design, which also reinforces the body structure, as well as body protectors for passenger care. The white accents going through the wheel to rugged all-terrain tire emphasize the feel-like outdoor gears. Even with the bolder design, the traditional and important Subaru design elements, such as wide viewing angle, remain consistent in this visual adrenaline concept. Bolder is not a complete redesign. It is the latest and most evolved form of Subaru design. The design which makes you want to go out, challenge something new at a glance. That is the design we Subaru aim for the future. Please keep your eyes on Subaru design and don't miss what Subaru has to offer in the future. Thank you.
Thank you.